Good morning, everyone. My name is Ivy, and today I'm thrilled to share with you our latest insights about DeepIn. Recently, OI Capital and Future 3 Campus collaborated on a research program, and today's report is our key findings of this study. The title of this report is DeepIn 101, How to Start Up with DeepIn. So let's dive in and explore the world of DeepIn together. Currently, there is a lack of DeepIn report that in Asia Pacific, and also a report that explain how to build DeepIn projects from 0 to 1. So we conduct extensive research and compiled content of this report. This report contains 6 parts. First, let's have together what is DeepIn all about, and then we will have a look at the DeepIn landscape. Third, we will move on to the core of this report, how to build DeepIn from 0 to 1, the risks, challenges, and possible solutions. Additionally, we will share how DeepIn can be integrated with other industries and technologies. And we are going to highlight the advantages and development of DeepIn in Asia Pacific, especially in Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, the Great Bay Area. As you have seen, DeepIn has experienced a tremendous growth in just half a year. The market cap has tripled, reached a 32 billion US dollars. Annualized on-chain income is soared to 15 million US dollars, and the quantity of projects is skyrocketed to 1,000. All of these numbers demonstrate the high potential and rapid growth of DeepIn. The origin of DeepIn, Vitalik, the co-founder of Ethereum, has mentioned that the category of DeepIn has already existed for a decade. Then came different name of DeepIn, for example, POPW, Proof of Physical Work, TPIN, Token Incentivized Physical Infrastructure Network, HFI, until November 2022. The name of DeepIn was voted by community members. For now, DeepIn is growing rapidly. And before we setting on the name DeepIn, there are different terms that represent the same concept. As I have mentioned, lots of names like POPW, TPIN, HFI, etc. All of these could help us understand the definition of DeepIn. In summary, DeepIn is a physical infrastructure network based on decentralized principles. Resources are shared and managed through blockchain technology in a distributed manner. The economy behavior of multiple participants is driven by a token economy. And let's move on. After seeing the definition of DeepIn, let's test together what kind of project can be called a DeepIn project. We have listed 4 conditions here. As far as we are concerned, only by meets all of these conditions can projects be regarded as DeepIn. And for the landscape of DeepIn, we can categorize the projects into 2 categories. Standard infrastructure service networks and non-standard infrastructure service networks. For the standard networks, it include compute, storage, and bandwidth. For non-standard networks, include wireless, geospatial information, energy, and mobility. Let's look closer to the standard infrastructure service networks. That networks focused on homogenization of deployed hardware or services, creating unique data resources without considering geospatial and time factors. Case studies for standard networks include Filecoin, EMC, and eBunker. As you know, Filecoin is a decentralized storage network designed to allow users to rent out unused storage spaces. EMC is a decentralized GPU computing power network with an AI ecological layout. eBunker offers professional Ethereum node solutions, providing staking services and addressing native Web3 needs. Move on to non-standard infrastructure service networks. We see lots of innovations in decentralized communication networks like 5G, Wi-Fi, and IoT. These networks also include geospatial information, mobility, and energy. Case studies include Helium, Roam, and Agree. Helium, you have already seen, is a global decentralized wireless infrastructure project. Roam builds a decentralized global Wi-Fi roaming network, integrating telecommunications infrastructure and blockchain technology. Agree connects and monetizes global distributed renewable energy resources to foster the development of carbon reduction applications. And now is the core of this report, how to build DePIN from 0 to 1. We have interviewed multiple projects and we have summarized a few steps to follow. The first step is we should have a deep understanding of DePIN and token economics. Second, identify real needs. Third, balance demand and supply. Fourth, focus on ecosystem building and community engagement. And next, seeking technical collaboration and partnerships. The final step is we should develop brand marketing and promotion strategies. However, there's challenges in promotion stage we should also pay attention to, like the regulation and compliance issues across global regions may pose obstacles. Market recognition and demand validation may be difficult due to the lack of high-value projects. And the reliance of cryptocurrency speculation and skepticism from Web2 investors may hinder progress. And there are also systematic risks in the implementation phase, and non-systematic risks should also be considered. We also provide some solutions here. Due to time limits, I will skip some of the slides here, but you can feel free to download this whole report. I will provide a link later. Look ahead. DePIN can be integrated with many other industries and technologies. For example, DePIN plus AI has huge potential because the infrastructure provided by DePIN can trigger and unlock a broader spectrum of AI applications. DePIN plus ReFi or regenerative finance allows more institutions and individuals with ESG goals to participate in climate action. And if we explore further on the DePIN application scenarios and the industry chain map, we can draw inspiration from this IoT blueprint proposed by IoT think tank. And this IoT blueprint contains 4 parts: sensing, connectivity, intelligence, and value capabilities, as well as the corresponding components inside. DePIN occupies this part, and it occupies an important position in the value capability part, which is also the intersection of IoT and Web3. If we consider DePIN Asia Pacific, last year in Hong Kong Web3 Festival 2023, a lot of DePIN partners, for example, Agree, Hashkey, and we announced this DePIN Hong Kong initiative from nowhere to everywhere. The goal is to develop DePIN ecosystem in Hong Kong, aiming to transform this city to a global hub. And for DePIN in Asia Pacific, there are opportunities and challenges. Opportunities include the rise of Web3 and embrace of sustainable finance in Asia, notably in key cities like Hong Kong and Singapore, is instrumental in propelling DePin's broader acceptance. DePin is set to propel supply chain integration in the Great Bay Area. But we should also consider challenges here, like the incentive model's high dilutive nature and extended time required to establish applications and meet demands significantly surpass those of regular consumer applications, especially when comparing with Web2 giants. And project success is not solely dependent on the tight correlation of supply chain and cost factors. In this, the impact of cost is very limited. Even though of these challenges, in conclusion, we see DePin has huge potential here with its special features and rapid growth and diversified scenarios. We believe DePin will soar rapidly. And feel free to scan this QR code. You can download the whole report. And you can reach me on Twitter. And thank you. I'm very happy to share with you, and I'm looking to connecting with you. Thank you.